Hello, my cute buddies. I'm your English ma'am speaking. I'm glad to meet you in this session. In the previous session, you have learned the lesson in a nutshell, part 1. Today, we are going to see the balance part of the story in a nutshell, part 2. Before that, we have a quick recap of this story, children. As you know very well, this is the adventure story. In this adventure story, Ranbir learns the importance of eating healthy food. When he meets the tooth fairy, he takes him to a person called the Wizard of Dentistry. Let us know in what way the Wizard of Dentistry teaches Ranbir to maintain healthy teeth. Can we go, children? Yes. The wizard asked Ranbir to sit on the dentist chair. Ranbir sat down anxiously. He looked carefully at Ranbir's teeth and said, "They are in bad shape. What do you eat every day? Do you eat a lot of junk food?" See, a wizard asking so many questions to the Ranbir about his teeth. List any 2 things that you think Ranbir may be eating that are not good for his teeth. Can you say some dishes here? It may be a pizza or burger. It is not a healthy food. So these are the 2 things that Ranbir may be eat. Okay, children? "I do, but I try to eat healthy food too," said Ranbir. So Ranbir said he don't like the healthy food, but he's trying to eat the healthy food. Let me give you a few suggestions that will help you maintain healthy teeth and a healthy body. Milk and other foods made from it are very important for you to grow. You can have rice and pasta too, but it must be eaten with vegetables, suggested the wizard. See what are the few suggestions the wizard is telling to Ranbir. So to maintain a healthy teeth, he has to intake milk and other food items. He has to take rice, pasta and some vegetables, which is good for his teeth. "Let me ask you a question," said the wizard. "What are the 3 colors in the traffic light?" Do you know, children, what are the 3 colors in the traffic light? Yes, it's right. Ranbir quickly replied, "Red, amber and green." What is the meaning for amber, children? A yellow colored, right? Correct. Just think of food as a traffic light. Remember, the colors in a traffic light has a code. Every day you must first stop at the red. Tomatoes, beetroots and apples. See here, the wizard is telling the red color fruits and vegetables. So tomatoes, beetroots and apples are red. We have to stop in that food items and eat a helping of them. So we have to eat that. Code. The meaning of code is a series of symbols, letters or numbers assigned to something to help identify it. So that is the meaning for code. These get your body ready for the dal and stir fry of yellow and colored and orange colored vegetables and fruits such as carrots, cauliflower, bananas, pineapples and oranges. See what the wizard is telling to Ranbir. So you have to intake yellow and orange colored food, which means fruits and vegetables. So what are they? Carrots, cauliflower, bananas, pineapples and oranges. See, Ranbir has to intake all these fruits and vegetables also. these give you many important body building and energy giving nutrients. See, these food items which helps Ranbir to develop his body and make him to be energetic always, said the wizard. Finally, keep in mind the green in spinach, capsicums, beans, sprouts, guavas, and sweet limes. Mozambique, sweet limes, which means these give you the signal to go. See, what is the end of the traffic light? That is go, green color. So the green color vegetables we have to intake. So wizard is advising Ranbir to intake the green color fruits and vegetables. So we have to go on that. Nutrients, substances that people need to live, grow and be healthy. So that is the meaning for nutrients. Next, fruits and vegetables. Are you intake fruits and vegetables every day, children? Yes, we do it. We have to intake it because it contains lot of nutrients and energetic to us. So it gives lot of energy to work out. So fruits and vegetables we have to intake every day. That is what wizard is trying to say to Ranbir. Here, what are the fruits you can see? Banana, orange, apple, oranges, grapes. So these are the fruits. Vegetables. What are the vegetables we are seeing here? Tomato, corn, coriander, capsicum, beetroot, cherry. So many vegetables we are seeing here. Okay, children. So we have to intake these fruits and vegetables every day. Red fruits. See what wizard is telling to Ranbir. You have to intake red fruits and vegetables. So what are these? Pomegranate, pear, pineapple, watermelon, beetroot, apple, cherries, tomato. So these are the red fruits. So we have to intake these red fruits which is good for our health, children. Okay. Orange colored fruits and vegetables. Orange colored fruits and yellow color fruits. So these fruits also we have to intake. So what are the fruits and vegetables you can see here? Capsicum, carrot, see it is very fresh. Oranges, papaya, then pomegranate, orange. Then what are so many grains and grains are there, so many cereals are there, mangoes are there. So many orange and yellow color fruits that is very good for our health. Pumpkin, so these and all very good for our health. Okay, children. So you have to intake all this orange color fruits and vegetables. See, grains. Okay, so everything is good for our health. So this is what the wizard is trying to say to Ranbir. So we have to intake the yellow and orange color fruits and vegetables. Now here is a green fruits and vegetables. We have to go on green. Okay, so what are the things we can see here? Kiwi, next Brussels sprouts, cucumbers, lettuce, dark leafy greens. Okay, so greens are very good for our health. We have to intake greens every day. Next, green beans, limes, which is very good for our health, avocados. Okay, green apples, peas, asparagus, green pepper, capsicum, spinach. All type of spinach we have to eat. All type of spinach is good for our health, children. Artichokes, next broccoli. So all these green fruits and vegetables we have to intake. These are very good for our health. So it helps our body to protect. It is a bodybuilding food. So these are very healthy food to us. So we have to intake these foods every day, children. So go with green. This is the thing we are learning every day. Okay, this improves our blood level. This improves our energy level. Okay, children. So you have to intake this green fruits and vegetables every day. Then the tooth fairy added, some people eat eggs too. Some peoples are eating eggs every day, 3 or 4 in a week. Fish and chicken will also give you important body building nutrients. When you eat properly, you will be full of energy to play, learn, run, cycle, climb, hop, skip, skate, and perform other tasks also. So what is the wizard is trying to say to Ranbir? The tooth fairy added so many things. What are they? So we have to intake eggs 2 or 3 every day. Every day or in a week we have to intake fish and chicken. That is good for our health. It improves our body level. So it is a body building food. So we have to intake that. When you eat properly, so if you eat all these healthy food, what are the thing we can get? What are the thing we can get? So we are getting full of energy. So with that energy, what we can do? We can play, we can learn, we can run, we can jump, we can climb, we can hop, we can skip, skate. So what are the things we can do every day? So everything we can do in energetic level. Okay, so we can do lot of tasks. We can perform other tasks also. Okay, children, go plant this old tooth in your garden or in a pot. See what happens, advised the wizard. So the wizard is advising, if you plant this tooth in a garden or in a pot, what will happen? Can you do this, children? So you can also plant one tooth in a garden or in a pot. Let me see what will happen. Okay, children. Now, Ranbir woke up the next morning and jumped out of bed. He was not his usual lazy shelf. On his pillow, he found his tooth that had fallen out in his sleep. He thought, was my meeting with the tooth fairy and the wizard of dentistry a dream, or was it real? So he has so many questions. Once you get up from his bed, it was a dream or it was a real? So many questions he is asking himself. Ranbir carefully took the fallen tooth and ran to his mother to show it to her. So whenever your tooth has been fallen down, what you will do, children? You ran to our mother, or you can run to your nearby friends. You can show the teeth to them. No, so likewise, Ranbir also carefully taken his fallen tooth and ran to his mother. He wanted to show the teeth to his mother. He asked her, Ma, may I plant this tooth in a pot? Okay, he asked the question. So what does the wizard say to Ranbir? You have to plant the tooth in a pot. So likewise, he is asking permission from his mom. She agreed. What is the mom said? She agreed. What do you think happened to tooth Ranbir planted in the pot? So let me discuss, children, later. To this mother's surprise, Ranbir seemed a different boy from that day onwards. Wow, that is a great thing, no? He started to take good care of himself by brushing his teeth regularly and eating healthy food. Wow, that is really great, children. See, Ranbir completely changed himself. He's thinking of the wizard, he's thinking of the tooth fairy. So he changed himself. He brushing his teeth regularly and he's eating the healthy food every day. Wow, that was really happy to hear, children. Hope you follow all this, children. So that is the end of the story. Now in this picture you can see a beautiful teeth. So how's the teeth, children? It is looking very shiny and beautiful, no? Only the teeth makes our smile very, very pleasant. Okay, so if you want to get this healthy teeth, what you have to do, children? What you have to do? Yes, we have to brush our teeth every day. So how we can brush our teeth, children? Yes, here are some steps you have to be follow to brush your teeth, children. So what are they? Place the brush at a 45-degree angle to the front tooth surface. Bristles must contact both lines of tooth and gum. So, tooth and gum you have to place your brush 45-degree angle. Move the brush in a small jingling circular motion. Okay, so circular motion you have to move your brush. Later, clean the inside surfaces of the back teeth by moving the brush in a small back and forth motion. So you have to brush the teeth small back and forth motion. Okay children, next fourth step, clean the inside surfaces of the front upper teeth by lifting the brush vertically using small up and down strokes. So we are usually doing this, no, small up and down strokes. So inside and outside you have to brush like this. Clean the inside surfaces of the front lower teeth by tilting the brush vertically using small up and down strokes. So here upper jaw you have to brush like this. Here the lower jaw you have to brush like this. Okay. Move the brush in a back and forth motion to clean the biting surface. So where is the surface? You have to clean like this. So these are the steps you have to follow. If you follow these steps children, what will happen? You will get a shiny teeth and a clean teeth. Okay. So hope you all follow this children. Yeah, very good. You have to follow this. Brush your teeth every day children. Okay. So how many times you have to brush your teeth? Yes, you have to brush your teeth twice a day. Morning and after your dinner, night time. Okay. 2 times you have to brush your teeth. That is a good habit children. You have to follow. Okay. Then here is the activity for you children. Look deep. Discuss the following. Pick your response. Ranbir liked to eat all kinds of food. Ranbir liked to eat all kinds of food? Yes or no? No. Ranbir did not eat all kinds of food. Pick one example sentence from the text to support your response. What are they? Yes. He disliked most fruits and vegetables and never ate them. Okay children, he disliked. He did not like most fruits and vegetables. What did Ranbir realize? That he was talking to wizard. What did he realize? Anyone know the answer for this? Yes, this is the answer. He was eating a lot of unhealthy food. When he was talking to the wizard, he realized this is what he is doing every day. Next, what do you think Ranbir learned from this adventure? So you have to explain this briefly children. Okay. Ranbir learned the importance of eating healthy food as well as the nutrition that fruits and vegetables give the body. So he learned the importance of eating healthy food, and this healthy food will give our body a good energy and hygiene too also children. Okay. Next, he learned the importance of brushing his teeth regularly to take care of it. So the 2 things he learned from this adventure story. Okay children. Now question time. Answer these questions. Use your notebook if necessary. What kind of a boy was Ranbir? Tick the right response. What kind of a boy was Ranbir? Can you guess the answer children? Can you found the answer? Yes. Smart yet fuzzy. He's a smart boy yet fuzzy. Okay. He eat only attractive food items. What do you eat every day? Do you eat a lot of junk food? Who asked this? Wizard asked to whom? Yes, Ranbir. Very good children. Why did he ask this question? Explain briefly, why did he ask this question? Yes, Wizard asked Ranbir this question after looking at his teeth, which were in bad shape. So the teeth which was in bad shape, so he asked this question. Thank you so much, children. So you have to read the question answer from this story. Write the answer in your studio and learn the answers to children. Thank you so much. Meet you in the next session. Take care, children. Bye.